Hello students, here we are going to learn about performance management. So the goal of performance management is to enable service providers to provide guaranteed quality of service to the user and their network. So this usually requires monitoring of the performance parameter for all the kind of connections supported to their particular network and taking any necessary actions to ensure that the desired performance goals are meet with the criteria of the particular network. So the first service level agent. So our service level agreement defined by the particular agent. So this provided as a written agreement between the service provider and their customer on the expected performance level of the network service. And this SLA consists of metrics agreed upon between the provider and its customers. So the values set for their metrics must be realistic, meaningful, and measurable for the both the parties, service provider as well as their customer. So on this basis on this expected performance or different interface also. So for that the various interface statics can be collected from the network device to measure the performance level. So the statics consider as a input queue drops, output queue drops, ignored packet are useful for the diagnosis performance related problems. So for the particular device level performance metrics can include the CPU utilization, buffer allocations like a big buffer, medium buffer, misses, heat ratio in the memory allocations also. So this performance of the certain network protocol is directly related to the buffer availability in the network devices. So the measuring device level performance statics are critical in optimizing the performance of higher level protocols. So the network device such as a router supports various higher level protocol such as a data link switching group, remote source routing bridge, uh, function like as Apple talk and so forth on. So performance statistics of wide area network technology include frame relay, HEM network, ISDN, and other can be monitored and collected. So performance monitoring, measurement, and the reporting. So different performance metrics at the interface, device, and protocol level should be collected on a regular basis using simple network management protocol. So the polling engine in the network management system can be utilized for data collection purpose. So most of network management system are capable of collecting, storing, and presenting the whole data. So various solutions are available in the market to address the needs of performance management for enterprise environment. So these systems are capable of collecting, storing, and presenting some data from the network device and the server also. So web-based interface on most products makes the performance data accessible from anywhere in the enterprise. So the response time can be measured between the source and the particular destination or from each hop to hop path along in the network. So SNMP traps can be configured to alert management consoles if the response time exceeds for the predefined threshold. So also the HTTP service performance defined by the sum of DNS lookup or TCP connections or HTTP transaction or some jitter control and VoIP traffic is also there. So some of the response time between endpoints of a specific quality of service QoS also defined. So IP base of services some of are there for the performance of the particular network.